Hello everyone, welcome back to Colorido channel. This is Tina. Nice to see you all again. Ever wonder how those all-over printed socks are actually made? Like a full 360 degrees, the seamless patterns, no gaps, no seams? Well, it's not magic. It's just the seamless digital sock printer. Okay, here's the details. You take a plain white sock, stretch it over a cylinder tube, and keep it as flat as possible. Then the tube rotates and the cartridge moves forward at the same time to spray the ink on it. The dual motion, that's how you get the ink all the way around. The toes, the heels, the side, everything. But here's the tricky part. Socks aren't stiff, they are soft and stretchy. So the printer uses high precision rails to keep the print head perfectly aligned, no blur, no double vision. Now actual printing, that's done by industrial inkjet nozzles. Every time the computer says spray, a tiny crystal band fires a microscopic drops of ink and bam! Pixel by pixel, your design appears. And the big question, does it wash off? Nope. After printing, the sock goes through a heat fix stage. Around 180 degrees, with around 2 to 3 minutes, the heat burns the dye deep into the fibers, so the colors stay bright and after multiple washes. The best part? No screens, no plates, no setup fees. You can print even 1 pair or 1,000. Same quality, zero waste. That's the beauty of the digital printing socks. Customer, on demand, and seamless. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Bye.